Did you know you can create a thriving, eco-friendly garden right inside your home? No backyard needed. Indoor eco-gardening is an easy and rewarding way to grow fresh food, purify your air, and live more sustainably, even in small apartments or busy cities. Today, I'll show you how to start your own indoor eco-garden with simple tips and green habits you'll love. Let's bring nature indoors. Number 1. Why indoor eco-gardening matters. Eco-gardening indoors isn't just beautiful, it's impactful. Benefits: improves indoor air quality, reduces food miles with homegrown herbs and veggies, provides mental health benefits through nature connection, adds humidity and freshness to dry indoor spaces. Even a few plants can transform your living space into a green sanctuary. Number 2. Choosing the right indoor plants. Not all plants thrive indoors, so pick wisely. Best choices: herbs, basil, mint, parsley, cilantro. Greens: spinach, arugula, lettuce. Compact veggies: cherry tomatoes, peppers. Easy houseplants: spider plants, pothos, peace lilies. Grow what you'll love to use or admire daily. Number 3. Use sustainable containers. Ditch plastic pots and get creative with eco-options. Sustainable ideas: reuse glass jars, metal cans, baskets, or wooden boxes. Upcycle old dishes, teapots, or mugs into planters. Choose biodegradable or compostable pots. Recycled containers add charm and keep waste out of landfills. Number 4. Choose organic soil and natural fertilizers. Feed your plants and your planet the right way. How to build healthy soil: use organic, peat-free potting mixes. Make small batches of homemade compost indoors. Supplement with natural fertilizers like worm castings. Healthy soil creates stronger plants and cleaner indoor air. Number 5. Water smartly and mindfully. Water is life, but overwatering is a common mistake indoors. Watering tips: water only when soil is dry an inch below the surface. Use leftover water from cooking like cooled pasta water for plants. Set up a drip irrigation system if you have many plants. Smart watering saves resources and keeps plants happy. Number 6. Maximize natural light. Sunlight is essential for healthy indoor gardens. Light boosting ideas: place plants near south or west-facing windows. Use mirrors to reflect light into darker corners. Supplement with full-spectrum grow lights if needed. Give your plants the sunshine they crave, even indoors. Number 7. Create a mini herb garden. Growing fresh herbs is one of the easiest ways to start indoor eco-gardening. Setup tips: choose fast-growing herbs like basil, oregano, and mint. Use small pots or a vertical herb stand. Harvest regularly to encourage more growth. Fresh herbs will boost your meals and your mood. Number 8. Compost indoors with ease. No backyard? No problem. Indoor composting is totally doable. Composting options: vermicomposting using worms in a small bin. Bokashi composting, a no-smell fermentation process. Small countertop composters. Turn food scraps into nutrient-rich soil right in your kitchen. Number 9. Grow microgreens year-round. Microgreens are tiny plants packed with nutrients and flavor. How to grow: use shallow trays and organic seed starting mix. Grow indoors with just a sunny windowsill or LED light. Harvest within 10 to 14 days. Superfoods, grown on your kitchen counter. Number 10. Practice zero-waste indoor gardening. Every step can be more sustainable with small choices. Zero-waste ideas: reuse old soil by refreshing with compost. Repurpose kitchen scraps for plant food. Swap seeds and cuttings with friends instead of buying new. A greener lifestyle grows from greener habits. Indoor eco-gardening proves that no matter where you live, you can grow hope, health, and harmony inside your home. So, what was your favorite fact? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.